Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to make the MiniVerse Valentines 2026 rare. They're little rings. I think these are super cute. I was looking at the ring bases themselves and they are so pretty. Like this has like hearts on the sides. You get a silver and like a rose gold. There's a gold and a silver in the circle, and a gold and like a rose gold in the square shape. The stones are clear and pink, and I think there's another color, maybe a blue, but I don't remember. The glue for these, the little gem glue, has a little brush, which makes it a lot easier to apply it to these settings to set your stones. So here is the collector's guide for the rings, and really simple steps to create them. But there's some how-to instructions if you need it. I really want to make them, and yeah, so let's get these made and see how they look.